How much is that? 10?
15 right now. I got to do something.
See, that was 1970.
Ooh. How much is it?
This $3 each car.
Oh, $3 this one?
Car, yeah.
Oh. You're in here like every week? Oke bro, ini dia sambungannya lagi. Gua hunting di pasar Loa yang dapet barang-barang langka kayak gitu bro. Ada sepatu, ada Hot Wheel, dan ada sepatu lagi yang gua dapet. Dan hari ini itu lebih meledak lagi bro. Jadi lu harus nonton ini, oke? Kita lanjutkan lagi video kita kali ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh bro. Sekarang kita mau hunting-hunting lagi di pasar Loa bro. Ini khusus nih, gua hunting barang-barang yang Loa-Loa banget. Hunting gue yang kedua ini bro, kayaknya penjual Hot Wheel itu lagi menjamur banget itu. Dan banyak banget yang tua-tua mantep-mantep. Cuman sepatu juga banyak juga sih. There's another Hot Wheel here. Another Hot Wheel. Look at that. Halo. How much for this? $2. $2? Which one? Oh, this one too?
Yeah.
And this one?
$1.
Oh, that $1. Okay. For the box, you sell it also, the box, no? No, the box you don't sell it, yeah? Okay. So this is 2, everything. Okay. Ini dia nih yang gue bilang emas yang beneran kayak gitu bro. Ini Hot Wheel dari tahun jebot banget. Kalau lu lihat ini nih Hot Wheel itu dari Blue Car kayak gitu bro. Ini tahun 1990-an atau tahun lebih lama lagi, tahun 80-an. Dan dia juga ada juga yang di kotak-kotak kayak gitu bro. Aduh, harganya cuma $1 juga bro. Ini gua harus cari bener-bener. Lu kasih tahu gua apa yang keskip sekarang ini, oke? Hai. This is only your car. That's all. Do you have another car? Do you have another one? There are more? Or?
$15.
Oh, you have over there. Okay, let me take a look. Ferrari, oke, Ferrari. Sensasi hunting yang kayak gini nih yang nggak dapet nih kalau itu pergi cuman ke Walmart, Target ataupun Indomaret di Indonesia. Karena ini memang bener-bener yang Hot Wheel belum pernah lu lihat kayak gitu bro. Udah tua banget, lebih tua daripada lu gue rasa dia umurnya. Dan gua itu sampai kelabakan gitu mau cari yang mana. Oh, this is Ferrari. Oh, itu tapi. How much for this?
You want 5 and they want 15.
Oh, this is a 15?
Yeah.
Oh, why expensive this one?
Because it's the collection. The tire is different.
Oh. Are you collector too?
This is a collector.
Oh. Okay. This is 15, yeah?
That one on internet is at $30.
Okay, this is CB Classic. Magic. Oh, it's open already. Classic Cobra. Red line. How much for this? This one?
15.
This is the Pontiac. This is the Toyota Tundra. This one. Okay, so if I take how much everything?
This 18.
18. Can I get
15, 2 and 1.
Can I get 12 for this?
No.
Huh?
No, it's only that one is 15.
This one is 15.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
more expensive, but
Yeah.
for 15.
Okay, but I mean, what is the final then?
15.
15. make it 12, no?
No.
No. How about 13? No?
No, 15.
15. That's all.
This is 3 months.
Okay. Yeah, 15. Okay, alright then. Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Oke bro, gue dapet banyak Hot Wheel gitu. Waduh, yang serunya tuh Hot Wheel itu Hot Wheel tua-tua gitu bro. Dan pasti itu kalau Hot Wheel tua gitu investasi itu mantep, karena harga itu bakalan naik terus gitu kan. Kita cari sepatu-sepatu sekarang. Oke, let's go. Pasar Loa ini bener-bener unik bro. Itu orang jualan piring bisa juga jualan sepatu. Jadi semua itu ngacak. Lu harus cari bener-bener nih guys ini. Oh, look at this shoes. That's cool shoes. It's cool shoes. Oh, look at this. It's a cool one. Air Zoom. Wah, keren nih. Rusak tapi sini ya. Keren bro, udah rusak tapi. Ini berapa nih?
$10.
How much is that? 10?
10. 15 right now. I got the dual so $10.
Is it original?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just wondering, can get a 7? Huh? Yeah,
That's a 15 this morning. Right now I got the dual.
10. 8 then.
Okay.
Let's go with that. Put it inside. Alright. From where you get it, this one? Your collection? Yeah.
No, I'm buying
From where?
auctions.
Oh, the auction.
Yeah, this stuff.
Oh, this stuff. Okay, alright. You have a toys?
No, not this time. So
Yeah.
it's a big different thing.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. How much that motorcycle? It's broken, yeah? It's broken. I don't know.
Not broken.
Yeah. Oh, there's a toys. Okay. Oh, it's cool. Okay, case too. Corvette. So, okay. Oh, this is die case, yeah? Okay. Wow.
$15 each.
Oh, this is $15. Okay. Alright. So this is the collectible item, yeah? Can I open up?
Collectible,
You see
yeah.
that? Wow, that's cool. Alright, clan show. So from the auction also you get it this one? Wow, that's cool. Sir, thank you. Luar biasa bro, gudil banget gue dapet sepatunya tuh kayak sepatu rare kayak gitu, dan itu asli ngerasa gue. Ntar kita bahas bro ya, sepatunya asli atau enggak. Gue buat videonya lagi, lu ikutin gue terus videonya. Ini asli atau enggak? Kayak gitu bro serunya kalau ke pasar Loa kayak gini. Banyak kejutan-kejutan yang gak lu sangka-sangka, yang bareng itu luar biasa mantep. Sekarang gua mau cari lagi, apalagi yang menarik nih, oke? Kayaknya ada yang mantep tuh di sana. How much is one? Ferrari. Oh, ini Ferrari juga, GT Ferrari. Oke. Ya. Nah ini nih maksud gue nih bro. Ini kita ngorek-ngorek barang-barang langka kayak gini. Ini yang menurut gue itu kebahagiaan yang paling mantep bro. Ini real yang paling mantep ini. Ferrari men. Ferrari keren nih. Ini gue bener-bener nih bro, gue minta tolong sama lu liatin bro apa yang gue ketinggalan ini. Karena gue bakalan kesini lagi nih minggu depan, siapa tahu bisa kita borong-borong lagi nih semuanya. Oke, kasih tahu gue apa yang ketinggalan. Oke, I take this too.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One more for
What's that?
take one more for Saint money.
Oh, oke, bonus one. Is that?
One more for you.
Thank you so much. Bener-bener ya bro, rezeki ini rezeki anak soleh nih bro, dapat
Alright,
satu
thank you so
gratis. Hai. Aduh ini bener-bener bro, gua ketemu lagi penjual Hot Wheel yang langka-langka tua kayak gitu. Waduh, udah kita borong nih bro ya. How much is it?
Just $3 each car.
Oh, $3 this one?
Each car, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
I think I have like 2 more boxes.
Oh yeah, where is it? Ferrari bro, Testarossa. Oke, kita coba lihat tuh bro. Balnya pink.
Somebody this morning buy a lot, like 100 pieces.
100 pieces? Ooh, that's a lot.
I was
Yeah.
asking like
Yeah.
the one car was no good. I take it for
Oh, okay.
$2.
This one.
See, that was 1970.
Ooh. Wow. Since when you collecting this?
Yeah, like maybe for like 10 years.
10 years already? Wow. Lu bisa rasain gak sih perasaan gue bro? Ini gemeteran gue nyarinya bro, karena ini bener-bener langka dan harganya murah banget. Gue gak percaya nih orang pada kolektor paling dia cuma dapet doang, karena nih harganya itu udah mahal banget sebenarnya bro ya. 1973.
Hey, amigo.
1983 Porsche. You coming here often? Like every?
Yeah, this is like for the whole one day. Look at this 1993. It's like 23, 24 years.
Oh, I see. Wow, that's cool.
But I gonna go $3.
This one is okay.
When you buy more, maybe make a deal with you.
Make a deal.
Yeah.
This Max box. This one is Team Porsche. This is what? What wheel? Lu kasih tahu di bawah, komen di bawah, ini mobilan apa-apaan aja semua ya bro, karena gue belum pernah ngeliat ini di pasaran. Ferrari, this one is Ferrari Testarossa. Okay, that's cool. This is Ferrari. Oh, that's Ferrari too. Keren nih bro, Ferrari bro. Ferrari Hot Wheel bro ini bro. Ferrari. Ini bener-bener ya, gua nggak boleh nafsuan nih. Karena apa? Karena ini banyak banget Ferrari yang mobilan gua suka banget, dan lu tahu semua Ferrari itu investasinya bakal melambung tinggi, oke? Once I put it here first. Ferrari bro. Ada apa nih? Matchbox Ferrari. Turbo. Rating Ferrari. Rating Ferrari. How much of this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is you can have 15 for
15? Everything?
Yeah, that was 21, but I go 15.
Oh, okay. Make it 13?
No, I already help you a lot. Yeah, this is almost $2.
Almost $2. Yeah. Okay. 15.
It's like $2.02.
Okay. Ayo deh. Oke bro, thank you so much bro udah nonton video ini. Cuman bakalan ada lagi kelanjutannya video pasar-pasar loago lainnya, cari-cari barang-barang bekas lagi. Gue suka cari Hot Wheel, suka cari sepatu-sepatu bekas kayak gitu bro. Lu jangan lupa subscribe sama gue, oke? Oke, thank you so much semuanya. Dan ada next videonya gue bakalan nge-review apa yang gue dapat di hari ini. Oke, thank you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Don't forget to subscribe to Urban Channel.
Hidayat Squad Family, video gua jangan lupa di share, like, sama subscribe. Thank you so much. Hai.